global leader in compatible optics technology, the most advanced transceiver engineering, purpose-built for AI connectivity and deployment. Light is captured. The light becomes data. Data becomes progress. Connecting today with tomorrow.
1, 0, all engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour.
ProLabs.